Introducing the HOWEASY Portable Power Station 135W 270W Peak, a compact and versatile solution designed to provide reliable energy for various applications. With an increasing reliance on portable power for outdoor adventures, emergency situations, or even home backups, this power station aims to meet those needs with a blend of practicality and efficiency. At first glance, the HOWEASY Portable Power Station exhibits a straightforward design, emphasizing functionality. Weighing in at a manageable size, it can be easily transported for camping trips, picnics, or road trips. The unit features multiple output ports, including AC outputs, USB-A, USB-C, and a DC output, accommodating a range of devices from smartphones and laptops to small appliances. With a peak power of 270 watts and a continuous output of 135 watts, it provides ample energy for everyday electronic devices. One of the standout features of this power station is its lithium battery, which promises longevity and reliability. Lithium batteries generally offer a longer lifespan compared to traditional lead-acid batteries, which could be advantageous for users who require frequent charging. The unit also comes equipped with a user-friendly LED display, which indicates the remaining battery level and the output being used, allowing for easy monitoring and management of power consumption. Using the HOWEASY Portable Power Station is relatively straightforward. It can be charged via a standard wall outlet, a car charger, or solar panels, which adds to its versatility for outdoor enthusiasts. The ability to recharge through solar panels is particularly appealing, as it allows users to harness renewable energy while enjoying nature, enhancing its eco-friendly aspect. In terms of safety, the power station is designed with multiple protection features, including short-circuit and overcharge protection, ensuring that your devices remain safe while being powered. This attention to safety can foster confidence in users, knowing that their electronics are protected during use. In conclusion, the HOWEASY Portable Power Station 135W offers a reliable and versatile energy solution for those in need of portable power. With its compact design, ample output options, and safety features, it caters to a variety of users, from outdoor adventurers to individuals looking for backup power solutions. Whether for recreational use or emergency preparedness, this power station could serve as a practical companion in many situations.